Start by lightly sketching your design on the fabric using pencil. Mix your colors with fabric paint medium to keep the fabric soft and flexible. I'm using Montmartre here. I'm using titanium white and brilliant red from Montmartre. Keep the edges of the petals in a lighter shade for a soft look. Blending is key. Use a separate brush just for blending. Trust the process and let it flow. Add depth by using crimson red on the inner edges of the petals. Repeat the same process for the other flower. You can also use your fingers for blending. Outline the design using black color for definition. I have shared links for all the colors and brushes in the description. Feel free to check them out. For stems and leaves, use sap green as the base. Mix in a little white for highlights. Blend it softly to create a natural shade. Finish by outlining with black and adding fine details. And that's it. The design is complete. Let me know in the comments how you liked the video. Your suggestions mean a lot. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow for more tutorials.